Joe's Golden Garage here. Out here for another auction drive. Got a 2008 Jeep Commander. This is new car trade-in at Crown Dodge. Tramp wife. Hell yeah. It's a pretty straight old Commander. It is two-wheel drive, but it's got nice Michelin tires on it, all the way around. Yeah, got good-looking Michelins. Could use some headlight cleanup. It does have the power moonroof with the little glass moonroofs over the back seat. It's a cloth car. It's pretty dirty, but I think it could clean up. It's got heated seats, which I thought was kind of unusual for one without leather. And like I said, it has the sunroofs package, which is kind of oddly equipped. Power pedals, and then of course it's got a power driver's seat and all your other power features. But let's take it for a little drive here. Let's see what we got. Got good cold air. Okay. I stabbed the throttle and that's what it did. Rev and held there. These 3.7s, man, I don't like these motors. I've heard terrible things about them. I hear they blow up. This one's got 154,000 miles and it runs terrific. But it doesn't have a lot of power. Not a lot of get up and go. Not like the Hemi V8. I've got a family member of mine has one of these with the Hemi V8. I'll drive it sometime and do a video on it. It's pretty badass. It's a limited. It's got everything. All right, let's do that one more time. I mean, it's peppy enough, but not got a lot of power. Someone's put in an aftermarket, looks like Pioneer head unit in this thing that I can't seem to make come on. Sunroof Works. Yeah, my seatbelt. Yeah, this one's pretty tight. I would prefer four-wheel drive. I mean, if you're going to have a vehicle like this, I'd want it to be four-wheel drive. So I probably would not be interested in bidding on this one tomorrow. But I will say it does run and drive out pretty darn good, considering it's got 154,000 on it, and it's got the 3.7, which again I'll say sucks. But now that I've driven one, it's not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. So kudos to that. Anyway, we'll see you with the next one. Peace.